Land Toys, and today we have Blaze and the Monster Machine's Cubeez stands full of toys and surprises. Give us a thumbs up and let us know which one is your favorite. First we have Crusher, and his tin is blue. It's the blue Power Ranger. He comes with a really cool weapon, and he's wearing his helmet to protect him against the evil villains. Let's remove his helmet and see what he looks like. He looks really nice. Next we have Blaze. Blaze has a yellow tin. It's Molly. She's the leader of the Bubble Guppies. Next we have Pickle, and his tin is red. It's Mickey Mouse, and here he looks really happy. He's usually wearing red shorts with white buttons and large yellow shoes. Next we have Darington, and his tin is purple. It's Sky. She's the flying pup member of the Paw Patrol. Next we have Stripes, and his tin is green. It's Bunga from the Lion Guard. He's a honey badger and the best friend of Kion. Next we have Starla, and her tin is orange. It's an Iron Man bobblehead. We hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Hi there, it's Land Toys, and today we have Power Rangers Cubeez tins full of toys and surprises. The Power Rangers are a group of superheroes that protect the world from evil villains. Let us know which one is your favorite. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. First we have the Yellow Ranger. She looks really cool. She's dressed in a yellow and white costume, and she carries a twin pair of yellow short-bladed daggers for weapons. And she also comes with a yellow helmet to match. Now let's open her tin and see what surprises inside. It's Terrence. Terrence is a really large bird, and he's Red's older brother. His goal is to guard the bird's eggs so that the pigs won't steal them. It's Angry Bird Red. That's a car full of Angry Birds. That's one of the pigs. It's the Green Ranger. He's dressed in a green and white costume and carries two really cool weapons, one being the dragon dagger. And here is his helmet. Let's see what surprise is inside of his tin. It's Miles from Tomorrowland. He's an adventurous young boy who loves to explore the universe with his family. Next is the Pink Ranger. She carries two weapons, one of them being the power bow. It fires explosive pink arrows at her enemies. And here is her helmet. Now let's see what surprise she brought us. It's Millie from Team Umizoomi. Next we have Umikar. It's Bot. It's the Black Ranger. He looks awesome. He's dressed in a black and white costume and he carries two weapons, one being his power axe. And he also comes with a helmet. Now let's see what surprise is inside of his tin. It's Mommy Pig, the mother of Peppa Pig. It's the Blue Power Ranger. He's dressed in a blue and white costume. He carries two weapons, one being a double-bladed lance, and he comes with a helmet to match. Now let's see what surprise is inside of his tin. It's Captain Jake from Captain Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Jake is a young pirate whose job is to protect Neverland. It's the Red Ranger. He's dressed in a red and white costume and he carries two weapons, one of them being his power sword. He also comes with a helmet. Now let's see what surprise is inside of his tin. I see lots of red gumballs. It's Pokemon's Bulbasaur. He looks really cool. Bulbasaur resembles a squatting dinosaur that walks on four legs and has a large bulb on his back. We hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button to subscribe.